video to you. Now look at question number 9. Now okay. So in triangle ABC means one thing is angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R, and third thing, if I'm taking BC is equals to QR, then BC is equals to QR. Okay. So now if we follow this one, so which property will apply over here? Angle side angle, right? Okay. Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clearly.
Yes, but your video means the screen is not working.
Yes, sir. Properly.
हाँ.
And it is.
So tell everyone to keep off.
Yes.
So tell everyone to keep off video so your network will come properly.
Yes, sir. Tell.
When I'm getting disconnected, connected, the problem will be here.
Sir, tell everyone to keep off video.
Yes, sir.
So everyone, if possible, please turn off your cameras, and I will also turn off my camera. My camera
Okay, sir.
turn off. Please, everyone, turn off camera. Then the networking issue, I think it will be proper. So in this time, it is easily visible. Angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R, and I'm taking here BC is equals to QR. So which property you will use over here? No, sir.
A.
Angle side angle. Okay. Angle
Yes,
side
sir.
angle. Okay.
Yes.
So additional pair is required. You will write BC is equals to QR. Additional pair is required in this question. Now, which criteria? That means angle side angle and additional part BC is equals to QR. Question number 9 is clear to everyone? Then I will move on.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Question number 10.
सर
Explain.
मतलब इसमें जो एंगल है उनको मतलब जो साइड है वो पता नहीं थी ना.
हाँ, बस एडिशनल पेयर आपको बताना था. और
हाँ, एडिशनल पेयर का.
एडिशनल पेयर्स आप ले रहे थे, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आपको कॉन्वेंस रूल की प्रॉपर्टी बतानी थी, कौन सा आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो. ओके.
ओके सर.
Explain
Yes.
why.
हाँ.
Triangle ABC and triangle FED, why they are congruent. So look at here. Here this angle A is equals to F. Look at there.
Sir, because everything is same.
Look at here. Look at the diagram. Two symbols are here. Two symbols are here. Now this side. This BC is equals to ED. BC is equals to ED.
Sir, it is angle side angle.
Wait. रुक जाओ. और angle B is equals to angle E.
Okay, sir.
So here, two angles in one side. So, what you will conclude? If right angle is given, it is not always that right hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse?
If right angle is given, it is not compulsory always right hypotenuse side property will followed. Look at here now. Right angle is given, but here RHS is not followed because hypotenuse side is not given equal. This is not given equal to us. So we cannot use here RHS. Here we will use look at that now. Angle side. So here we will use AAS congruence rule. ठीक है. तो AAS congruence rule से आपका जो टोनोटा एंगल्स है वो क्या है? Congruence rule. Congruence. तो आपको इस क्वेश्चन को राइट कैसे?
Angle side.
How you will write this question now? So means a solution. You can write this question with me, everyone. In triangle ABC and triangle FED, both the triangles are here taken. So here angle A is equals to angle F, angle B is equals to angle E, and BC is third side will be BC is equals to ED. ठीक है? Okay.
Yes.
Now you will see
Yes.
triangle A,
सर आप वो लिख रहे वो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
C.
हाँ,
is
sir.
congruent to triangle.
हाँ सर, थोड़ा सा मतलब लेट आ रहा है आपके स्क्रीन पे, जो आप लिख रहे हो ना वो थोड़ा लेट आ रहा है, इसलिए सर उसे इरेज मत करो।
सर मुझे कुछ भी दिख नहीं रहा है, इसलिए मैं लीव करके फिर से ज्वाइन कर दूं क्या?
हाँ,
वैसे नहीं रे सर,
मुझे भी नहीं
कंटिन्यू
दिख
है।
रहा।
you can.
अरे मुझे तो पूरी की पूरी स्क्रीन ब्लैक दिख रही है।
Please means networking issue from your end. Others ones my screen visible ना?
हाँ
Yes,
सर,
but
बट
you
आपका
are-
जो आप लिख रहे हो ना वो थोड़ा सा मतलब डिले होकर आ रहा है।
कोई
हाँ,
दिक्कत
अभी
नहीं,
आया।
try to manage for the day. Maybe networking issue from my side or your side.
हाँ सर, बट आप रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो तो आपके साइड से वो हो जाएगा,
हाँ,
यूट्यूब
कोई
पे मिल
दिक्कत
जाएगा
नहीं
फिर
है।
हमें।
But actually whatever I'm writing that was understandable or not? That was clear?
यस
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Clear.
Okay. Now look at ABC is triangle is equal congruence is equal to FED. क्योंकि आपको by which property? By angle side.
Angle side.
आप
Yes.
राइट कर सकते हो। now means आप wait because I am writing solution properly, so by angle after this line by angle side congruence rule triangle ABC. After this you will write in the down, I am writing here congruence to triangle FED. Right class? So
Yes, sir.
यस
this way question number 10 is also completed.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, your screen is black.
My screen is
नो
black.
No, sir.
वीडियो ऑफ
No
रख।
sir, it is
Off your
visible.
video. Sir,
Okay.
off.
Sir,
It
now,
is
now,
visible to you.
Sir,
अरे
off your
सुदर्शन
video.
वीडियो ऑफ रख। हाँ
हाँ,
So,
हमें
now-
अच्छे से नेट आएगा।
I think everything you have written in this that are written in the screen, I am clearing my screen.
हाँ सर, एकदम ठीक से है।
Okay. Now look at the conclusion part, summary part, what we have discussed in this chapter. Okay, because I am going to finish this chapter today. So now look at congruent objects are exact copies of one another. Everyone know that. अगर कोई भी objects आपके congruent हैं, this means they are copy. Means
Yes, the same size, same sides, same
means
angles,
I said replica.
same shapes.
Same shape.
I use this word replica at the starting of the
Replica.
है ना। replica means copy,
Ditto.
ठीक है, डिट्टो सेम। तो
Ditto
congruent
copy.
object आपके, अब जैसे suppose I ask the question, two circles are there, let us draw circle with the help of tools. Suppose this is a circle,
Yes.
okay, and this is another circle. Oh sorry, both the circles are congruent. If I said this one, this its radius will be r1, or you will and its radius will be r2, and I am saying this
Active.
both the circle will be congruent. तो अगर आपके सर्कल्स दोनों congruent हैं तो आप क्या कह सकते हो? What's your answer? Their radii must be
They
equal.
all
These circles.
Their circumference will be later part. If the circles are congruent, this means their radius will be same. I told this thing in the
Same, diameter,
in the
radius,
first lecture of this chapter.
Equal.
Okay, so any figures, any object,
Yes.
if that one is congruent, that means both one are exactly same. Suppose the two means cell phones of a company like I'm calling Realme, of same model,
Vivo.
same version. Realme means
Samsung.
suppose Realme X I have phone, Realme X have Ame Pathak. So both are congruent or not? Please tell me.
Apple.
हाँ
Apple.
Ab now one answer coming. Realme and Apple, they are not congruent.
Apple.
Okay, they are not
Yeah.
congruent, but definitely they are similar because we will consider the same is outer shape of
their workings are same.
rectangular shape,
Size.
but they are not congruent.
Not working.
अब this
Congruent.
रियलमी एक्स मेरे पास भी है, रियलमी एक्स प्राथमेश के पास भी है, तो ये दोनों कॉन्ग्रेंट है। ठीक है क्लास? ओके,
हाँ सर।
नाउ मेथड ऑफ
हाँ
सुपरपोजिशन examines the congruence of plane figure. देखो what is meaning, means suppose two triangles or two figures I draw here, just give me some time. Suppose this one is a rectangular shape, okay,
हाँ
again, and by different color I will draw here with the same.
सर ये कॉन्ग्रेंस सब कुछ इस पे ही है, मतलब लॉजिक पे।
So, only logic, only concept. So superpositions means one figure is overlapped to another figure. If this will happen, that means we can say that the figures will be, object will be congruent, right?
सेम।
Clear?
हाँ
Sorry. Now two plane
But here
figures.
it is not concurrent.
Oh,
Two plane figures, say f1 f2 are congruent if the trace copy of f1 fits exactly on that f2. It's very easy concept. Suppose this figure is your f1, okay,
और उसके ऊपर ही ट्रेस किया हुआ एक और वैसा ही डाला, अगर वो सेट हो गया तो फिर वो कॉन्ग्रेंस है, हो गया।
Same.
अब सर्कल में तो थोड़ा दिक्कत होती है इसमें ड्रॉ करने में, क्योंकि अब ये खिसकेगा नहीं, तो जस्ट वेट, आई एम ड्राइंग मींस हेयर looks like this.
मास्टर कार्ड का बना रहे थे लोगो।
So I looks like both the figures are looks like quite
तो उसे
same.
कॉपी करो ना, Ctrl+C Ctrl+V होगा तो।
नहीं हो, it is not working over here. नहीं होगा ये कॉपी, या मैं
अच्छा।
और कोई tools, let me check any other tools will work or not.
working,
क्लिक दबा माउस का बटन।
No, it is not working.
है सर, एक सेकंड।
Okay, no issue, you got the concept, that is important for me. ठीक है?
Yes.
नहीं हो रहा सर।
Yes, हमें नहीं हो रहा, it is not working, I checked that, हमें no problem.
हाँ
So two line segments, two lines, when the line segment will be equal, I said suppose AB is equals to CD, then we can say that both the line segment will be congruent. If the line measurement of line segment will be equal, then we can say that the line segments are congruent. Look at there. Here this means now difference is there. This means both the line segment will be equal, and this means both the line segment will be congruent. ठीक है? Meaning will be different,
Yes.
but the things will be same. Meaning means because of this symbol, the meaning will change only, right?
यस।
Now in triangles, angles so many times when
Yes.
two angles are congruent, when the measurement of the angles will be equal, right? यानी कि एक एंगल आपका ऐसा है, एक एंगल आपका ऐसा है, if their measurement will be 40 then they are congruent. If this is 30, but so then they are not congruent, right?
Yes.
Now the later thing which
Yes,
was
sir.
given in the later part 6, 7, 8, 9, so many times I have discussed these things. Triple S means
यस।
Side, side, side.
हाँ, देखो 3 sides of one are
उसमें कुछ
equal to
भी
the 3
additional नहीं
corresponding
होगा।
sides of other. ठीक है? SAS
Yes.
सर इसके
under
लिए हम
this
कोई भी
correspondence,
मतलब
two triangles are congruent
ले
if
सकते
two
हैं।
sides and angle. Now angle, look at their included word. This is the important over here.
एडिशनल।
Between them is one of the triangle is are equal to the corresponding sides and angle included between. So many times I had discussed this thing, included. So I hope
Yes.
this means from my side the chapters completed. Is the chapter
So from our side
from
also.
your side?
Clear understanding.
Okay, so if any problem, do you know what to do?
सर वहाँ पे ट्रिपल ए कैसे लिखा है?
हाँ, लिखा नहीं है, उसने एक्सप्लेन किया है.
There is no
There is
such
no
thing.
such
हाँ.
things as triple A. As I told.
हाँ.
As I told.
सर मेरे
Angle,
मतलब
angle,
एकदम से
angle.
ट्रिपल
Now
ए
look at
देखा,
it. Two
इसलिए बाद में
triangles
मैंने वो
with
read
equal
करके
corresponding angles need not be congruent. In such a correspondings, one of them can be enlarged copy. Enlarged copy means one is bigger, one is smaller.
One is
जैसे
small, smaller.
Okay, जैसे अब यहाँ पे triangles tool is not given here. Triangles tool भी given होना चाहिए लेकिन not given. Why this is opened here?
सर वो शेप्स में ही मतलब होता है, बट उससे हमें मतलब अलग तरीके से बनाना पड़ता
देखो,
है.
look at here. Suppose this one.
शेप्स में शायद से कोई है उसमें.
Suppose this one is your rectangle. Okay, its all angle will be 90. Yes or no?
Yes.
It's all, now this is the rectangle. Its all angle will be 90. Yes or no?
Yes. But it is not
Yes,
equal because the size
But
is not
not
equal.
congruence. क्योंकि we are talking about angles.
Because yes,
This is means
not equal.
this one 90, this one 90, this one 90, this one means every angles will be 90. So on behalf of
Every
angles
angle
only,
will be 90.
we cannot say the figures are congruent, right? Definitely the measurement of sides are also given over there.
Yes.
Yes.
Now this chapter getting ended.
Yes.
Okay, so now actually I will stop recording for